Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's online interview for the staff nurse position in the emergency department.
Good evening. I am Ms. Nurin, the core interviewer. I will be asking follow-up questions and observing communication skills.
And I am Miss Aina, the lead interviewer. So, before we begin, can all candidates hear and see us clearly?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Alright, thank you. Now, first of all, before we start, I would like to briefly share about Sunway Healthcare. Sunway is a leading private healthcare group in Malaysia, known for its high standards of patient-centered care, strong clinical excellence, and commitment to staff development. With that in mind, we would like to learn more about you and your interest in the emergency department staff nurse role. Now, we will start with candidates 1. So, candidates 1, can you please introduce yourself?
Good evening. My name is Nurshaza Jannah. I am nursing graduate with a strong interest in emergency care. During my training, I developed teamwork, communication, and patient care skills.
You mentioned teamwork. Can you briefly explain why teamwork is important in the emergency department?
Teamwork is important because emergency care requires fast and coordinated action. Nurses, doctor, and other staff must work together to ensure patient safety.
All right. How has your nursing education prepared you for working in the emergency department?
My education trained me to assess patients quickly, follow protocol, and communicate clearly under pressure.
So, can you tell us which part of your training helped you most in emergency situations?
Clinical placement helped me the most because I experienced real emergency case and I learned how to stay calm.
Okay, now, what is one of your strengths as a nurse?
One of my strengths is staying calm in stressful situations. This helped me think clearly and provide safe patient care.
All right. How does this trend help you in emergency situation?
It helped me focus on patient needs and communicate clearly with the healthcare team.
All right. So now I want to ask you, what is one of your weaknesses?
Sometimes I focus too much on details. However, I am learning to balance speed and accuracy, especially in emergency care.
Okay, how are you improving this weakness?
I practice prioritizing tasks and following senior nurses' guidance.
Okay, what will you do if multiple emergency patients arrive at the same time?
I would follow triage principles and communicate with the teams to prioritize urgent cases.
Now, I will give you one real situation. Okay, imagine you are working in the emergency department. Two patients arrive at the same time. One patient is having chest pain and is suspected of a heart attack. Meanwhile, the another patient is having a severe allergic reaction and is already in respiratory distress. So which patient will you prioritize?
I would prioritize the patient with the severe allergic reaction and respiratory distress.
And why is it caused?
Is it because airway and breathing are the top priority? The patient may stop breathing if not treated immediately. The heart attack patient is also serious, but airway obstruction is more life-threatening in the immediate moment.
Wow, that's good explanation. What immediate action would you take for the allergic reaction patient?
I would alert the emergency teams immediately, prepare emergency medication, and as instruct, provide oxygen, and monitor the patient closely while following hospital protocol.
Thank you for the answer. Do you have any question for us?
Yes, thank you. What support is provided for new nurses in the emergency department?
Okay, that is a very good question. Newly appointed nurses undergo an orientation program and are assigned a senior nurse as a mentor during their first few months.
We also provide regular training session and supervision to ensure the new nurses feel confident and supported while adapting to the fast-paced environment of the emergency department. Thank
Thank
you.
you, candidates 1. Now we will move on to candidates 2.
Candidate 2, are you ready? Can you please introduce yourself?
Good evening. My name is Nurmiza Adelina. I'm a caring and hardworking nursing graduate who enjoys fast-paced environment.
Okay, what motivates you to work in the emergency department?
I enjoy helping patients during urgent situations and working as part of a team.
How do you manage stress during busy shift?
I stay organized and communicate clearly with my team.
All right. Can you give an example?
During busy shift, sharing tasks with my team help reduce stress and prevent mistakes.
Okay. What is one of your strengths?
My strength is communication. I communicate clearly with patients and colleagues.
You mentioned communication. So why is communication important in emergency care?
Clear communication helps avoid errors and improve patient safety.
Can you tell us what is one of your weaknesses?
I can be shy at first when meeting new people. However, I'm improving by speaking more during group discussion.
All right. Thank you. How does this improvement help you as a nurse?
It helps me communicate more confidently with patients and colleagues.
What will you do if a patient family becomes upset?
I would listen calmly, show empathy, and explain the situation clearly.
Okay, now I will give you one real situation. You are on duty in the emergency department when 2 patients arrive at the same time. One patient has a high fever with suspected sepsis. Meanwhile, the another patient has a deep bleeding wound from an accident but is conscious. Which patient will you prioritize first?
Okay, I would prioritize the patient with suspected sepsis because sepsis can lead to rapid deterioration and organ failure if not treated early. Although the bleeding patient is serious, the conscious patient can be stabilized while urgent care begins for the sepsis patient.
All right. How would you ensure the bleeding patient is still managed safely while prioritizing the sepsis case?
I would apply basic first aid such as pressure to control bleeding and inform another team member to continue monitoring the patient until further treatment is available.
Okay, good answer. Now, do you have any question?
Yes, what qualities are most important for an emergency department nurse?
In the emergency department, we value the nurses who can remain calm under pressure and communicate clearly with both patient and team members.
We also look for adaptability, strong critical thinking skills, and the ability to prioritize patient care effectively. These qualities are essential in emergency situations. Okay, thank you, candidates 2. Now we will move on to candidates 3. So, candidates 3, can you please introduce yourself?
Good evening. My name is Nur Hashimah. I am responsible and adaptable nursing graduate interested in emergency care.
Why is adaptability important in emergency nursing?
Emergency situations change quickly, so nurses must adapt to patient needs.
Can you describe a challenge you face during training?
I face a heavy workload and manage it by prioritizing tasks.
Okay, what did you learn from the experience?
I learned how to manage time and patient safety.
What is one of your strengths?
My strength is problem solving. I stay focused and follow the procedure.
Alright. How does this help in emergency situation?
It helped me make a safe decision quickly.
Alright. Can you tell us what is one of your weaknesses?
Sometimes I overly cautious. I am improving by gaining more experience and confidence.
Okay, why is this improvement important?
It helped me respond more efficiently while maintaining safety.
Okay, what will you do if you make a medication error?
I would report it immediately and follow the hospital policy.
Alright, now can you consider this situation? Two patients arrive at the emergency department. One patient is unconscious after a road traffic accident. Another patient is conscious by experiencing severe asthma with difficulty breathing. Which patient would you prioritize?
I would prioritize the patient with severe asthma and difficulty breathing. Breathing problem can quickly become life-threatening. The unconscious patient is serious, but airway and breathing must be addressed immediately.
Okay, now how would you manage the unconscious patient while attending to the asthma case?
I will ensure the unconscious patient is placed in a safe position, monitor vital sign, and inform the team so they can attend to as soon as possible.
Alright, thank you. Do you have any question for us?
Yes. How is performance evaluated for nurses in the emergency care?
Performance is evaluated based on clinical competence, communication skills, teamwork, and adherence to hospital protocols.
We conduct regular performance reviews and provide feedback to help nurses improve and develop professionally within the department.
Okay, thank you, candidate 3. So now, thank you to all candidates for your detailed and professional responses today.
We appreciate your participation and your interest in joining our emergency department team.
We will contact you after reviewing all candidates.
This concludes today's interview session. Have a pleasant day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.